Hey everyone, this is Michael with Home Health Success Academy, and you're watching another one of our home health marketing mistakes video series where we share with you the mistakes that a lot of people have made in marketing for this type of industry and how to be able to go past those mistakes, or if you're experiencing it, shorten the time of you experiencing the pain of these mistakes. And in this video, we're talking about one of the big mistakes of doing it yourself, okay? So one thing you have to understand is that you must learn delegation, how to be able to delegate things. So as an administrator, for myself, I start looking at things that I'm good at and I look at things that I'm not good at. And for the things I'm not great at doing or handling, I find the people who are good at doing those for me so that I can concentrate on the other things that I'm great at. And one thing I realized is that marketing was one of my biggest things that I was good at. So what I decided was I then made sure I did a lot of marketing for the company because I can bring in the revenue. And then eventually a lot of the things that the administrator has to do, I delegated to the people that they can handle those menial jobs, those minimal things that they can handle that I shouldn't spend my time in. So if you're a marketer yourself, okay, that does not mean if you don't have people under you that you cannot delegate certain things, right? So let me give you guys a quick thing that I've done actually when I do marketing, right? And what I did was this, and this is even, I have employees already, right? And so some of the employees that was working for me in my agency, in my home health agency, the minimum salary in the office was around $12 an hour. And I was still looking at that. I said, okay, well, that's a $12 an hour work. You should do the 12 hours for that. But there were things like, for example, I needed something typed up that would take like an hour to do, right? I needed something copyrighted. I need something typed up. I need something fixed, right? And if I gave it to this person, that was extra work for them to do, which then removes them from what they need to do in the office for me, whether they're taking care of some files or taking care of certain things that that's important as well, okay? Because if you have something new to assign and you give it to somebody who's already doing your job, they're not going to be able to finish whatever they need to finish, right? So there's this company called Fiverr.com where I started outsourcing certain things. For something that I needed typed up really quick, something I needed transcribed really quick, I was paying somebody $5 an hour to do that for me. Not a full-time employee, not even a part-time employee. I ended up finding people that I trusted, that I started using a variety of different of the people in Fiverr.com, and they started doing those things for me. And so it minimized a lot of the cost that I was doing, okay? So as a marketer, are there things that you need to be typed up, right? And if you can't if you need to concentrate on your marketing and there's certain things that you need to be done, then do that for yourself. Pay another person something that's going to be able to do the services for you. Next thing also, right, for you do-it-yourselfer, right, well, if you're worried about, well, I need to send emails to people, what you can do is this. You can actually use a email company called Aweber or MailChimp, where you can create a list already set up for your email list, and you can actually, in one click, send the email to every single one of them. But guess what? At the same time as if they open those emails up for yourself as well. There's so many different products and technology out nowadays that for you guys who are your do-it-yourselfers, it's not really necessary for you to do everything always. I want you to be able to put a value in yourself right now. And I want to ask this question. How much are you worth an hour? Like, how much are you worth an hour? Right? So if after you divide everything up and you say that, hey, I'm worth $30 an hour, or hey, Michael, I'm worth $50 an hour, or hey, I'm worth $100 an hour. If that's the case, that if you do your work, if you do your job, if you do your marketing, you should get paid $50 an hour. Why are you doing a $5 job for that hour? When if you did something productive instead, you're going to be able to earn $50 an hour. So the way I look at it is, if it's going to take me an hour to type this thing up, and I am worth $50 an hour, I would rather pay somebody $5 an hour, right? Do the work that I need to do for that hour and make $50. So then I made $45 rather than not do the job that I need to do for that hour to make patients to bring in referrals and do the job that is $5 worth, then I don't have any income for that. So for you do it yourself first, it doesn't matter if you were the owner, the administrator, or so forth, you need to be able to delegate things that you're not good at and then do the things that you are amazing at. And if you're a marketer, there are things that you can still do to delegate certain things outside so you don't have to spend so much time in it. Because I hear marketers who say, well, I have to email this person, I have to email that person, I have to email this person. Listen, I understand. I've been there. But I found out ways to be able to minimize the cost, to minimize the loss of time for myself, that at the same time as by me being able to manage my time, I'm able to increase my census, I'm able to increase my referrals, I'm able to increase the profits of the companies that I have. So I hope this video for you do-it-yourselfers can help you guys. It's just very, very small ideas and items, and we have a lot of these trainings of what we're doing to make your company better in our other video series. We hope that you keep on watching our videos. This is Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Remember, visit us at 10xpatientreferrals.com or keep on watching our videos. And so once again, remember, home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.